Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling Word's Read Aloud feature so it can speak your document, open the file, and focus on content. Once done, go to Home or Review and click Read Aloud. That begins playback immediately. Make sure to open the Read Aloud settings to choose a voice and adjust speed. This affects comprehension and pacing. You want a natural voice at a comfortable speed, so test briefly, listen to a paragraph and tweak until it sounds right. Once Read Aloud is running, you control playback directly. Use play, pause, and jump controls to navigate sentences and paragraphs. If you only need a section read, highlight that text first and then start Read Aloud. Word will speak just the selection. Also, make sure to change voice and speed as necessary, because different voices pronounce punctuation and formatting differently. If a voice stumbles over acronyms, slow the speed slightly and retry. That usually finish by fine-tuning presentation and fixing issues so your reader experience is reliable. Use immersive reader or word view options to change spacing and focus. That helps the voice and your reviewing. If you get no audio, check system sound, default speakers, and app microphone/TTS permissions. Make sure another app isn't blocking audio. For wrong pronunciations, edit the text with phonetic spelling, hyphens, or use SSML where supported. This forces correct speech and prevents repeated errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.